Okay, hi guys, I'm so sorry I'm a little late with your chakra messages. It's a channeled message, so it took time for me to write. Today I only have written this two chakra. One is the root, which is the red color, and your orange, which is the sacral chakra. Okay, today with the channel message from Archangel Michael, I'm here with the deck Gabriel deck. Okay, so the first reading that we will be doing today is for the root chakra, which is the red color. Okay, let me pick a card first from Gabriel for you. Another one is the orange one, sacral chakra for you from Gabriel. Done. Okay, the first card I've got is deserving. I don't think you'll be able to read because they are the in the opposite direction for you. So it's deserving. You, like all of God's children, deserve happiness, health and love. Remember, you deserve all. Let me go with the reading. Let me see if we can relate with the channel message today. So for the root chakra, okay, time to ground, take a breath and reconnect with your inner power. I already can relate with the card. And strength. There are many things you can do to help yourself feel safe and secure. Okay, such as becoming more confident in your ability to meet your needs, as well as removing fear and anxiety. A lot of anxiety coming up, a lot of frustrations. You may want to stay away from certain people, maybe. Do that. It's good for your health, especially emotionally. You need that security and safety. Stay away from those people. You will not be able to handle. I'm sure of that. Please take care of yourself. Firstly, setting a boundary line. It could be an invisible one. You don't have to insult or whatever, but set that line now. Okay, so to meet your needs, as well as removing fear and anxiety and replacing them with a plan of action to move ahead with. Bring yourself into the present moment. Very important for all of us. I'll bring my head a little upward. Bring yourself into this present moment and ask what is in your power to help your safety and security in all areas, like your finances, material needs and career. Always remember, it reflects. No matter what kind of energy we carry, good or bad, it reflects. You are in a lot of disturbing worryful energies, remember, it will reflect on, it could be also on your relationship with your spouse or with your children. It will reflect, so be very careful with your thoughts. Become more grounded and clear your energy fields and belief system. It's important to develop good habits that will lead you to a good foundation. Right, it takes time to create something good, a foundation. It creates time to make it a habit of following new routines, like that I have been asking you all to get up on time, or doing certain exercises or yoga, kind of make it a habit, like continue it. Okay, please look at all the habit patterns that are draining your energy or making you feel less worthy. Do your best to recommit to health and wellness. It's very important. Make yourself a priority now, please. So well, let's move with the next one, which is the sacral chakra. That's in the orange color. And we have already picked, shuffled and picked the card. You're seeing it. Your Gabriel message is authenticity. Okay? Trust that your real self, whom God created, divinely perfect, has the strength and knowledge needed for this situation. You have all the resources, everything is available to you. If you feel you are unable to see, take a moment, sit, ground yourself. I think grounding is for everybody, all of us. We all need to stay grounded so that we could see what is coming, what God is offering, and what already is available for us. Trust me, all the resources, everything is available. Your all the body parts are okay, right? You are able to breathe. What else? Okay, so here we go with the reading orange sacral chakra. When this chakra is out of balance, a person may experience emotional instability, fear of change, depression, or addictions. You know, I feel even attachments are addiction sometimes. Attachments, like you can stay not doing a particular thing. It's not only about drugs. It could be like playing, repeatedly playing video games, or repeatedly taking your phone and just scrolling FB. Yes, having a lot of cup of coffee and tea back to back, if not back to back, at least 5 cups a day, that too is an addiction. Or else, without talking to certain people, you can uh, stay, like you can't do anything else. You somehow do, you are very bored, you need to speak with that person. Give me a moment, I'll just go close the window. So that too is count as addiction. You must choose to honor your body now, your feminine energy. Feminine energy is grounded to a natural flow of nurturing, affection, sensuality, gentleness, and patience. You can choose creativity, passion right now. Choose your ideas, goals, and visions, and take a chance to yourself. And if you don't know your purpose, let me tell you, everything come alive with you emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually is your purpose. I think it's you who is your purpose. Me, I am my purpose, to fix myself up, my karmas, to fix. I'm sure you got it. Your purpose is let me get back to you again. So your purpose is a natural state of knowing who you are and loving yourself for all what is within you. When you realize this purpose inside of you, you are healing. You are heading to create life in real time. See yourself for who you truly are. A beautiful light that has the ability to follow their dreams and passion. The time I was writing, I could clearly see a tunnel, and through this tunnel there is a beautiful white light that is like welcoming us. Let's just look for the light, not the darkness. And trust me, the light can be seen only in the darkness. So just accept whatever is going on, it's just the darkness, and we have been asked to look for the light. Just look ahead, somewhere you will see that light. Balance emotions and don't let them get away on you. Don't be afraid to make statements. Be an original. Honor your morals and values as well as your self-worth. Do not let anyone walk on your image or try to change you into their image. Don't be a doormat. Don't be a doormat. Make your changes, love them, don't fear them. Make a new habit. Again, Priyam is talking about new routines. Yes. Make your changes, love them, don't fear them. Repeat new habits. Remember, good thing come with change. So here change is compulsory for this orange color. You know what this orange color signifies? Opportunity, happiness, all types of joy, like all good experiences. satisfaction. Even for you, I'm getting very strongly, practice gratitude. Small little gratitude, like I'm sitting on a couch or a mat or whatever, wherever it is you are sitting, whatever it is, gratitude is compulsory for all of us, no matter what circumstances you're going through. We all go through problems. This is why we are here, to fix it, right? Not only to fix the problems, to fix ourselves. That is what we have understood today, है ना? So in that case, we should be very much grateful for what we are having. That could be very small little things: water, food, shelter. I'm saying small little things, but these are the basic necessities. We all need this, and trust me, we actually have lots to be grateful for. So practice gratitude, at least make gratitude a habit. The addiction we were talking about, be addicted to gratitude. Be addicted to drink a lot of water every day. Be addicted having light foods. Be addicted doing yoga each day. Be addicted smiling. Okay, be addicted to good things. And I was reading this beautiful article from Tony Robbins. If you want to blame somebody, blame good things about them if you have the gut to do so. Talk good about yourself. Blame good about others. I'm sure you're getting it. So for today, I have only completed this root chakra and sacral. Tomorrow, I hopefully going to read all the other chakras which are left. Till then, please take care. Lots of divine love and blessings. Bye bye.